Hello, I'm doing my holiday home tour 2025. This is the outside. We have twinkle lights. I'll put a clip at the end of what it looks like at night. But this is the nativity we have. There's twinkle lights along the front. And down here, we have a nice pig. Christmas pig. And all I have, see there's the bulbs twinkle, not the string. I never realized that before, all these years. You buy the twinkle bulbs on Amazon. And see, they're clear. You can see them. I just have this by the front door. That's from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. And here we go. Out here, I just put the skiing bear. And there's a glimpse. I'll come back to this area later. I have this thing here is a Scandinavian thing you're supposed to put your cards in. I'll just go down here and show these first. Here's the kitchen. Nothing in there. In here I have this, it's a fake IBM card wreath and just a snowman. These beds are going to go with baby retros. This is the office, and he has, that guy's from the Dollar Tree, Ampam Man, and Furby, and this is a assemblage. I can't remember the name of the shop, but she's on Instagram. And that's it on here. And in the bedroom, I have her. She was from Temu a few years ago. Nothing else. And in here, let's see. That's all I have. Is my, I'll turn the light on. My tissue box cover thing. That's it in here. Oh, and my towels. Those are from Ross. And let's see what else I have. Nothing there. In the kitchen, I just have the cups. These are these labubu Christmas trees I made. I got one on Etsy. And this is this year from Vinterskint from IKEA. It's just a little jar thing. But I really like the style. I want to have my elf up here. And this tree has all really old vintage ornaments. I got this tree at the thrift store last week. I don't remember where. Maybe in Monroe. I'm not sure. And here I just have Victor's sweaters. They're waiting for him. And Christmas labubu. He hates these sweaters, but I just put them on him. Take a picture and take them right off. That one's really good. And in here, let's see. I just have this was from Daiso, this thing. It was just a little pot, and that's their little Santa mug. I think they had a snowman and something else. That's a really old bear I rescued from an estate sale. Those are some crate and barrel bowls. Up here, this was from Daiso too. That's my Stife snowman, and I did score these nice Joanna Parker snowman at Home Goods early on. That guy back there is from Ross. I think you can see in here. Let's see. I'm gonna pull this out a little bit. There you go. These are the not IKEA, the Pottery Barn reindeer guys. Some of these are from Michael's a few years ago. Oh, I got this Joanna Parker. I didn't like their other Santas, but I like that one. And those are just some cups. Somebody's growling. And that's a Joanna Parker mug. And more reindeer wear. I like these styrofoam snowman. And then these are plates from Crate and Barrel. And that's that. And look at that. There's a scavenger there on the floor. She's waiting for the party. Those are nutcrackers that I bought at the sale at Joann's last year and stained them. You can kind of see. They came out pretty good. I just used a real dark stain. This is a Crate and Barrel tree. That's a Ross tree. And that's a vintage Santa. I found at St. Vincent a couple years ago. But these came out pretty good. And I just have these LED lights behind it. This is the West Elm metal tree that I got this year. And this is a table we made out of some scrap wood and some molding. And these legs are 2-inch hairpin legs. We got them off Amazon. So this just needed a little bit more presence on this tree. And here's my main tree. There's this elf back there. We did all red this year because I kind of like the red. It really looks good with the silver. And there's my ceramic tree and some other stuff. There's a little guy under there. There's another deer here. This tree skirt is my favorite. I got that off Etsy years ago. This is the knockoff Crate and Barrel tree we made. I just got this gold mercury glass snowman at CB2. And I had that tree. This is a CB2 snowman I got years ago. And he matches that one. And just this here. And this is just a big Scandinavian it's not a tapestry, it's just a wall hanging. And on the that's from IKEA. This plushy Santa. He's like the one in the kitchen. And then these, I love these guys, are Bethany Lowe glittery snowmen. That tree I got at Anchor Thrift a couple years ago. And this is from Dollar Tree, this thing here. We burned the candle, we just put other one. This one, where did I get that? At a thrift. It's sort of like the Pottery Barn ones. And here's the other matching cute snowman with the drum. Ooh, I like those guys. And on the mantle, kind of did the same as last year. The clear stuff. It's the acrylic snowman. And the glass trees. And the acrylic nutcrackers. Snowman. And this is a vodka bottle of somebody makes this vodka here. I just bought it for the bottle. I tried the vodka. Absolute is better, but whatever. I just wanted the bottle. This is all my horses. My Scandinavian horses. Those are pretty much the same. These were new this year from IKEA, these goats, Yate. You know, they watch you and then they report to Santa. That's the story on the Yates. That's vintage. And then the bar is looking good this year. There's my wall I stripped and the sconces. And this guy, this is Herr Friedrich. He's a ventriloquist. I went looking for the Santa with the cocktail that they had at Ross. Couldn't find it. Couldn't even find a Santa I wanted to put a cocktail in his hand. That's how lame they were. And so I just dressed up my Herr Friedrich ventriloquist dummy. And he's got, this was from, where's that from? Oh, that's from CB2. And that's from CB2. And there's my 2-foot tree with red and vintage skirt What else I got here? Crate and Barrel plate, and I have some of the glasses. And this is the, I can't remember the name of this. This Italian thing. Oops, Alessi, oops. This is a lighter. That that angel thing is a lighter. And this is a corkscrew. There's this bag. And those were from Home Goods a few years ago. And that's my Crate and Barrel tree from a few years ago. What else? And then over here, let's see. This is my Pottery Barn Santa, and I got these. I think I thrifted those ornaments. So I usually have him on the bar, but I'm doing this Herr Freudlich thing this year. But he looks pretty good there. And this is the Pottery Barn tree that I put ornaments on instead of little candles, because the little candles would dry. I'm not going to light candles in here. And there's my loony deer I made. And look, there's the nativity guys out there. This I bought this year at the thrift store. This is a 1996, I think. Motionette angel. But she's really good. She's the one that really looks like a doll. And she's got a cocktail. Yeah, she's got 2 cocktails. This is how this looks. Oh, and this thing here. I wanted a small color wheel. So I got this thing off of Temu. It's a LED color changing light. But it won't go on slow fade. It only goes on this fast fade. So buyer beware. And here's how this one came out this year. That's a West Elm Merry Christmas and some trees. And that's a vintage Noel. Those pink mercury glass are vintage. I got them at an estate sale last year. Oh, I just got that glass tree. I think at Goodwill. It's nice. And then that big one, I think I got it at Ross last year. And then just the other ones. That's pretty much it in here. But that's how that turned out. And I think I'm done. I think that's it. So I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. And I'll see if this guy will work. I don't know how he works. I'll add him at the end. So I'll see you later. Bye. There he is. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.